Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Dodge Dart. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, on your mobile device, enable Bluetooth and ensure it's discoverable. Next, navigate to the Uconnect system on your car's touchscreen. You'll want to find the settings or phone option to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once in the Uconnect menu, select the phone or Bluetooth option. From there, you'll see an option to pair device or add device. Select this to initiate the search for your phone. The Uconnect system will then display a unique 4-digit PIN. This PIN is essential for verifying the connection between your phone and the car's system, ensuring security. After the Uconnect system displays the PIN, you'll need to enter this exact 4-digit code into your mobile device when prompted. Both your phone and the Uconnect screen will then ask you to confirm the pairing request. Once confirmed, your phone should indicate that it's successfully connected to the Uconnect system. You're almost ready to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth connectivity in your Dodge Dart. You can make and receive calls hands-free, ensuring safer driving. Additionally, you can stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your phone to the car's speakers. Remember, you can always manage or disconnect devices through the Uconnect settings menu if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.